What kind of animal is that, Jack?
Oh, do it.
What's a doggy say?
Whoa.
Yeah. Ready? Mommy's gonna give him a kiss. What kind of car is this?
Look.
What's this one? Huh?
It's truck any trash in there. I just probably just throw it
Does it have teeth? You see its teeth?
away. Wow.
All right, dude. Let's see this thing. Let's see
Oh,
what
you
this
gotta turn
thing's
it on.
got.
Here, let me see real quick. We gotta turn it on. Should be. Whoa! Look!
Here,
Look,
Jack.
watch
It
the-
moves.
Use the
Look.
remote. Use the remote. Here,
Yeah,
let
it
go of
Moves
it.
the car.
Push the button. Push the button. Push it in here. Watch. Watch. Put
He
it.
just
Here,
wants to
here,
play
put it
with it.
down. Here. Here. Put it down. Put it on the ground, and I'll show you. Watch. Let go of it. Here. Watch. Let
Here,
go.
I'll take it, and then you take the
Watch.
remote.
Watch. Now watch, Jack. Push the button. Wow. Oh. 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 Here,
He's
push
gonna
the
love
button.
that thing.
Push the button.
That's how you-
Whoa, there it goes. Yeah, the remote control makes it go.
That's cool. I'm glad
I'm gonna run over Holly with it, I bet. Go ahead, hit the button, make
Hit
it
the
move.
button. Push the button.
Oh God, Holly.
Push the button. You gotta push it. Push it up.
I'll push them both at the same time.
Oh, you have to do one at a time?
Yeah. Well, I think one's for it forward, and then the other one's to steer. You gotta go first, buddy. Here,
Push the button
push
forward.
this one.
Push it up. There
Push
you
this
go.
one. He just wants the truck.
You can't keep your hands on it. Ready? Watch. Ready?
Ooh,
Wow!
that's your sister.
Whoops.
We'll beat your sister up with it. You like, nope, I'd rather just drive it around.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna drive around.
How are you? You're looking you rolling around.
Whoa! Mommy's got the remote control. Whoa, Mommy got it. She got the remote. Whoa, she's out of there.
Oh, no.
Hey, let go of that. Let go of that truck. You need the remote, but you gotta let go of the car then so it can move. Here, I'll show you how it works.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Oh. Oh.
He loves it, look at him.
Oh.
What's Holly doing?
What are you doing?
She doing back bends over there? What are you doing?
This one of your... Yeah.
You're an animal.
I got you the soft ones, 'cause I'm sure you're going to chew on them. I'm sure you're going to chew on them. I'm sure you're going to chew on them. Pick with somewhere on you.
Oh, look, truck.
The remote.
It's probably a good thing
Hey,
you
you.
got this now. And not
You haven't
die
eaten the
for it.
miles?
What's that?
You gonna